I have purchased Lahore with my life. By giving my life a Lahore, I have actually purchased another paradise. These words said by the Noor Jahan, greatest lovers of Lahore. The period of the glory of Lahore city interrupted time and time again and again. But Mughal made the Lahore a great city, the city which once served as the capital of the Mughal Empire. They create the fabulous building and gardens Sheesh Mahal, Nolakha Pavilion, Lahore Fort, attract the visitors around the globe, and the area has been declared World Heritage Site. Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, most visited places in Lahore. The architectural main of Lahore, unique, religious spirit introduced the art lovers. Beautiful buildings created by the Mughals, inspiration ancient tradition, produce the style of architecture is uniquely. Today, first we're going to discuss the Akbar Fort or Lahore Fort. In 1584, he moved the capital from Agra to Lahore and lived until 1598. In 1575, he built the fort of Lahore, which had 12 gates. Lahore Fort, also called the Shahi Kila, in fort is the historical city of Lahore. The fort is connected with the Badshahi Mosque through Alamgiri Gate. The fort was built during the reign of Akbar in 1605. The design of this fort is the old, unique Muslim architecture shows. Locally known as the Shahi Kila, Lahore Fort spread over 20 hectares in northwest corner of the walled city of Lahore. It was built during the reign of the Third Mughal Empire, Akbar, between 1556 and 1605, to watch over the empire's northwest border. Some people said that the Sikhs and the British they continue to rebuild this structure again and again. UNESCO, educational, scientific, and cultural organization they rebuilt this site and called this the heritage site in declared the heritage site in 1981. Now, Hiran Minar. Coming towards an other beautiful building built by the Mughals. Hiran Minar built near to the Sheikhupura by the fourth Mughal Emperor Jahangir, who ruled 1605 till 1627 AD. This fort was built, you can say, this Hiran Minar was built in the Sheikhupura near Lahore in 1606. Hiran Minar is 100 feet high. Minar also had a large pool of water for animals to drink water here. The Hiran Minar complex is located in the city of the Sheikhupura, about 40 meters of the northwest of Lahore. The complex located near the Sheikhupura. Royal hunting resort was built near Jahangirpur under the supervision of the Sikandar Moin by the order of Emperor Jahangir for his beloved antelope. Now, a minar was constructed near the grave of his antelope 13 years after the construction of minar. Later on, some changes made by the you can say by the order of Shah Jahan in 1638. There is a rectangle tank which is going to provide the water to the animals also. The emperor is you can see that it was going to show that how he was care about the humans, pets, and the animals. Okay, now there is a marvelous building, Sheesh Mahal. Now Shah Jahan improved the city. He renovated the Lahore Fort. He constructed the Jahangir Canway in Lahore Fort. He constructed the Sheesh Mahal. It was decorated with the tiny mirror. Okay, now we discuss about the Sheesh Mahal. Sheesh Mahal was built by the Emperor Shah Jahan. It was built in the middle of the Jahangir rule, built under the supervision of Asif Khan. Constructed in 1631 till 232 for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. But unfortunately, before she stepped into the palace, she passed away. Thousands of blue empire and the clear mirror glitter in the sunlight, producing the thousand of the reflections. And if by chance you are there at night, enter the palace, would glow with the one candle or light. It was most decorated place for the fort is embellished with the small, you can say they using the small type of the mirrors. This show how the Mughals are thinking and how their architecture was famous. Now the Nolakha Pavilion. This is another very unique building which was built when the pavilion was built in 1633 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a small summer house in the cost around 9 lakhs rupees. This is the reason it is called the Nolakha. The rectangle pavilion, a small summer house attributed to the Shah Jahan, stand beside the Sheesh Mahal in the northern section of the Lahore fort. It is built entirely of the marbles and remarkable for its deeply curving roof in the Bengali traditions. Can you name the two buildings built by the Shah Jahan? Write in the chat box. No, already we discussed the Nolakha Pavilion. You can see here it is located in the Lahore fort in this area, and they are built entire marble and remarkable for deep curving Bengali traditions. Lahore under the Aurangzeb. Now already we discussed about the Jahangir, Shah Jahan. Now coming towards the Lahore under the Aurangzeb Alamgir. Mughal architecture declined during the reign of the Aurangzeb, but as a devoted Muslim, he built new mosques. Aurangzeb visited Lahore perhaps only 6 times, but what he built there was at the time the largest mosque in the world, the Badshahi Mosque. He was built the Alamgiri gateway to the fort also. This is a beautiful example Badshahi Mosque in the Lahore. Write the answers in the comments so I can see that how much you like my videos. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you will subscribe our channel. Goodbye.